Hey, what's up? So for the past year or two, I've been working on a course in the background called Blues Harp Success. I made this course because I wanted to be able to help you in a deeper way than what I can normally do here on YouTube, kind of like what I do for my private students. Well, that course is almost here, releasing this Wednesday, February 15th. Let me tell you about it. Blues Harp Success is a step-by-step comprehensive harmonica course designed for beginner and intermediate harmonica players. If you are just getting started, I'll tell you what you need to do to get up to speed quickly. If you've been playing for a while, I'll tell you how to stop feeling stuck and how to move past whatever obstacles you're facing, and you'll enjoy all of the songs and lessons that I have for you in this course. Even if you are more advanced, the songs are full of fun riffs that you can use while you are improvising, and I'll teach you all you need to know about advanced topics and practices like overblows, studying classic harmonica players, improvising, playing in alternate positions, playing in alternate tunings, and more. I've been mentioning the songs in this course a lot, but they're the heart and soul of this course. I made them all myself, and I'll let you be the judge as to how they sound. These songs start pretty easy and they get steadily harder from there. There will be 25 songs at launch with more planned over time as free updates. On that topic, Blues Harp Success is launching at $247 USD as a one-time purchase with free lifetime updates included. The course comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can take the course with the confidence knowing that if it doesn't meet your expectations, you'll receive a full refund, no questions asked. It's a risk-free investment in your musical future. That's the course. I hope you check back here when it releases on Wednesday. Take care.